Hello everyone, I am Sai Jatan. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today's we'll try to do the PUBG Bootcamp FPS drop test in this MI11X duo, as you can see friends. So I'll be trying to use the HDR plus extreme settings during this time of complete gameplay, and in case if you have any other settings, so make sure to comment below. I'll try to use those as well. And one more thing, I'll try to use the third party FPS meter as well during this time of testing. So even I'll try to record the screen recording and I'll try to explain you what is happening. So meanwhile I'll try to show you what are the settings as well I'm trying to use. So make sure to watch till end of the video friends to get to know what are the frame drops is happening and what is the how is the gameplay as well. And these are the few settings which I'm trying to use during this time of testing. And I'm trying to use the mic sound. So using the mic sound you can get the game audio and my voice at same time, so that's why I decided to use mic. So in case if you want to know more details about the screen recording, so which audio will be recorded, so make sure to check this video, internal and the external audio screen recording. So you can check that video and you will understand how to record the internal and the external audio at same time. So let's see friends how much FPS we can expect in this phone. So I'm not relying on the default FPS meter, so which lot of users did ask me to use the third party FPS meter. So that is what I'm trying to use, third party FPS meter at this point. As you can see friends, now we got the third party FPS meter as well on the top, and let me try to start the game and show you the settings as well what I'm trying to use during this time of gameplay. And HDR plus extreme settings and everything is set to the HDR plus extreme, as you can see. So during this time of gameplay, and I'll try to drop exactly on the boot cam so you will be able to understand what is happening. And let me try to even start the screen recording as well so you know exactly what is going on. Let me try to quickly go back and start the match. So once after the match has been started, then I'll try to start the screen recording in this phone. And meanwhile, if you have any other questions regarding this phone, so feel free to comment below. So I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible. So right now I'll start recording of the video friends. So from this point, the video will be starting recording, as you can see. So right now in the initial times, the temperature is of close to, let me try to show you, 38 degrees, 39 degrees right now. Video will be starting recording, as you can see. So right now in the initial times the temperature is of close to, let me try to show you, 38 degrees, 39 degrees right now. So now let's see friends how will be the gameplay will be there during this time of testing. So this is a really interesting test to see how the phone will be performing in terms of the performance wise. So that is what really I am interesting. So you can focus on the real-time FPS data. Right now I'm getting on the top left corner, you can see. So exactly 50, 54, 56, 61 I'm trying to get at this point. So let's see friends how much you will be able to get. So 55, you can see the FPS 47, as you can see 51, so slightly it's dropping. So 50, 60, 54, it dropped to 54, as you can see friends, 54 right now. 52, so 54, 52. So the lowest I did see about 52 or that is the lowest so far I did see in this phone. So far I'm getting about 56. So only when you're trying to drop slightly there is a FPS drop, but after that I didn't see any kind of FPS drop. So now friends, this is a review, a quick review of the bootcamp drop. So again I'll try to come back again and I'll try to see test second time. So this is the second match I'm trying to play right now. So just checking the second time as well, how much the FPS will be dropped. Just want to show you right now if there will be any kind of frame drop. So just now it dropped to 41 FPS as well. Just now. So right now 60 FPS. So let's see friends, this time how much the FPS will be dropping exactly. So when you're trying to drop in the bootcamp, let's see what will happen this time. And you can focus on the real-time FPS statistics as well, how much I'm trying to get. So 54, 57, 56, 61, 57 FPS I'm getting right now, 58.
Watch out.
So 41, as you can see 41, it dropped to 41 as well, 47, 54, 56. As you can see friends, little bit frames drop but not much, 46. So this is the third time I'm trying to test the FPS, so drop test. So let's see in this kind of scenario, will there be any kind of FPS drop or not during this kind of animation. So that is what I'm trying to test at this point. As you can see, the FPS dropped to 43 as well during this time, just now. The only drawback is that in this screen recording there is no pause option to pause the screen recording. So there is only one start and stop, that's it. So there is no pause option. So there is a quite disadvantage in this screen recording in this MI 11X device at this point. So let's see friends, this time how much will it be there in terms of the dropping, how much FPS can it be decreased. So 33 FPS, it just dropped to 3340 as well. So let's see how much will it be dropping. So I'm trying to drop exactly in the boot camp.
Form up on me. Form up on me.
So 57 FPS I'm trying to get, 56 FPS. So this is the third time bootcamp test which I'm trying to do in terms of the FPS drop test. So 53, it dropped to 53. So as I said, definitely I'm not that kind of gamer friend, so definitely I'm just trying to focus only on the FPS dropping. So it dropped to 53. finally I got some games. 57 FPS. As you can see friends, after going through the screen recording, you got a clear idea how is the gameplay of this MI11X device, and while playing the PUBG game with the boot camp testing. So there are a little bit kind of frame drops did happen in this phone while dropping in the boot camp. And this is a quick review friends. As I said, I'm not that kind of heavy gamer, so that's why I was unable to show you much gaming. But this is a short video, and thank you for watching this video friends, and stay tuned for more updates in the future, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.